Hi everyone and welcome, and today we are going to be talking about why is it important to clarify and to make people understand what you're wanting to say. How many times have you had a conversation with people and after the conversation anything that they say that you've said has nothing to do with what you said, or vice versa, or someone is telling something to you and you don't just understand what they're saying, and after that you just say yes, but after that you're like, I don't understand what he just said, and then you just think about something, you just make up something, and then you say, well, that's probably it. All right, so one thing that we have to understand is that conversation happens with words. We use words, and we all know that, or at least I think so, that words have definitions. Unfortunately, the way we grew up and the experiences that we have had in our life have helped us to kind of have our own definitions of words. Like, money is bad, money is hard to have to work hard to make money, only scam people can make money. Those are all the ways that we have defined words, and then this is how we communicate throughout the day. So if you are having a conversation with someone, in order for you to actually make that person understand what you're saying, it's really important to, after explaining something to them, ask them like, okay, did you understand what I just said? And if they say yes, then ask them, okay, what did you understand? So that they can tell you in a brief liner or in one liner what they understood from the concept of what you just explained to them. And this is super, very powerful, because it's gonna help you not to waste your time anymore talking to someone for an hour, and then after that the next day you come and talk to them, but we talked about this last time, and they said, no we didn't, but sure we talked about this, like, no we didn't. And that is going to prevent this kind of conflict. So every time that you're having a conversation, mostly specifically if it's an important conversation, always clarify what you're talking about, what you're explaining, and always ask them what they understood from what you just said. And this is going to help you to always make your point across. And if you are the person listening, then that's going to help you to actually understand what the person is saying. If someone is explaining something to you, you can say, oh, do you mean this? And they can say yes or no, but this is going to allow you to actually understand with your own words what they are actually wanting to tell you. Because like I said, we have developed different definitions of word based on our understandings and based on our upbringing. And the more you are able to clarify whatever is it that someone is telling to you, the better you're going to be able to understand what they're actually saying. And this is going to save you a lot of time, effort, and energy. So that was it for how to make yourself understood, or how to understand other people. And comment, subscribe, but mostly share, and talk to you another time. Bye bye.